Duday, Cheryl, Ching, or whatsoever. Anyway, so for today's video is I'm gonna show you what I'm going to bring the Filipino food to Sweden with me. Because sabi nga nila, mahal daw sa Asian store doon yung mga Pilipino na pagkain. If I can bring balot, I will, but it's not possible because I think it's fresh. So, let's start! Number 1 talaga. I'm gonna do this ching soy sauce, and second one is the puti sukam anghang because I really like this anyway. So, this is number 1 that I'm gonna bring. And second, guys, hindi pa it's not sponsored. So, second one I'm gonna bring is this one, a sardinas na masarap. And this one, hot, spicy. And the green one, it's the normal one. And of course, this is important, Tenor Sinigang Mix. I bought a lot of these. Actually, I think it's 10 I bought of these. So, I don't think so if I will bring the Nor also as well. So, talagang pangluto guys yung dinala ko. And, bagoong! Suti bagoong. Anyway, hindi naman ako kakain ito. Bibigay ko to sa aking friend doon. See, my friend na ako guys. Ibibigay ko to sa kanya. And, hindi mawawala ang noodles. Ito talaga yung paborito ko. Lucky me, chicken sotanghon yan. And of course, our champurrado. This is quick video only. This is champurrado. It's for morning. And of course, the snacks. Hindi mawawala ang snacks. So, I have this Oishi crackers, corn crackers. And this one, Nagaraya, guys. And Ding Dong. Actually, how many? Ding Dong, I have 2 flavors. Ayan. And, of course, I have Copico candy. Still made in the Philippines. And, guys, Miga again. It's not Miga, I mean, it's a 555 sardines. They have 2 spicy and 3 normal one. And yes, this one, it's for my friend anyway. I'm thinking also that I'm going to bring, what else I'm gonna buy pa. Pambibilin ko ba? I'm gonna buy the Kojic na sabon pa kasi hindi pa ako nakabili. Hindi pa ako nakapunta sa ano. And what else? What else I'm going to bring? Filipino food. Coffee or Nescafe or whatsoever. But I didn't drink coffee anyway. So like this. Yes, of course. The essential. I need this. Listerine. And I have this too. Nivea also as well. And a lot of things. Filipino food tayo. Hindi ko alam. I cannot bring fried fish because the fried fish here is, I don't like anyway. I don't like the fried fish here. And of course, I'm going to bring this. See? Akala mo, pupunta ako talaga, it's good for 1 year. Matapos lang yung contract. So, I bring food, and I bring, what's this? And of course, I think that's it. That's it for the night. No, I still have there anyway. Because I'm still packing my things. Yes. That's only Filipino food that I'm going to. So, hi guys, it's me again. I'm going to show you my hand carry bag. What is inside of it, and then yeah, we'll talk about it. And Sorry about my background because, you know, it's magulo talaga. And this is our, like, stack room. So I have this. I have my watch bags, which is, I need to hand carry in. And then my jewelry bags, which is so, look at this. It's so cute. I bought this one from Shein. I don't know when, but I think it's last year. And then I have my Bluetooth speaker and my Under Armour AirPods, which is given to me by my Joa Webs, and some of my jewelry bags, and my eyeglass, and of course my vitamins for my hair, nail, skin, and it's gummies, and it's so yummy, and orange flavor, which is I really like. And then I have this. It's very, very important to me of this. My mosquito net. I cannot leave this. I cannot leave this. I can leave the other stuffs, but not this, because this is my life. This is my life. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna sing it for you. Really swear to God, I can't sleep without my mosquito net, and it's from my sister is the one who bought this one. It's from Philippines because my old mosquito net, it's broken na. So yeah. And I'm gonna put also my DSL camera and the tripod because it's not here yet. Because my boyfriend bring to weigh in my luggage if I will be overweight, over luggage na, which the weighing in their work choo. So because I have like I have the big one, and the second one, the medium one, and this one. This is my hand carry, and I'm gonna, what's this, also my pack bag only, which is better for me, which is comfortable for me. And some of my 2 shoes is here also as well. Yeah, in this bag, in my hand carry bag, it will be my important things like jewelries and some of my yun nga, gadgets. And yes, of course, it's from IKEA, the cell phone holder. In case manonood ako, which is I use all the time, every time I watch movies or YouTube or whatsoever. And of course, I will not forget my Philips hair dryer, which is good because it's small and you can hand carry everywhere. This is nice size for traveling. So yeah, that's it. So yes, guys, anyway, see you in my next vlog, and please follow my channel, subscribe, like, and comment, and yes, follow my journey to Sweden. And this is my next country. So yes, follow my channel anyway, and yes, follow me on my journey in Sweden, inshallah. Support my channel, please. Ngayon lang talaga ako nakapag-vlog because I'm so busy with my papers, and then I need to focus on it before I will jump to vlog again. So see you there. Bye guys, love you. I will update you until I go in Sweden.